know it's gonna be a good meal when you see that right there. What is going on, guys? Your boy Ozzy here, back with another video. Hope you guys are all having a beautiful day as always. Today we are at Cars and Connections. I've never been here. Pretty sure a lot of you guys have seen or have been here, but this is my first time. We're gonna see what's up. I'm in the good old reliable because my car took a shit.
Again.
Damn. My car took a dump, so we're in the good old reliable. But I'm gonna get off right now and I'll show you guys what's at the meet so far. Finally walking up to the meet and we find a C6 Grand Sport. The purple's nice. Carbon splitter. I would hate to spend money on a splitter only because I know I'm gonna break this. I know I'm gonna break it quick.
This is cool.
Well, that carbon.
It's only carbon I feel for.
I actually need to get that for my new bumper. I like the headlights as well. Shit's badass.
Must be nice.
Carbon side skirt. Alright, we are here. Got the SV that I recorded as an intro rolling in. This thing is badass. This is the same one that we saw at the base meet. This is so clean, bro. I literally heard this thing from far before it even hit the street. Whole carbon rear, quad exhaust, carbon wing. Damn. This is clean. I really like those wheels. Yeah, I like them. You don't, huh? R8. This thing looks stock as hell. Oh my god, it is. I take this over this. I'm not even gonna lie. 06.
It's because it's 06. They literally sell
Man, he don't take care of it. Oh, titanium exhaust. This shit's badass.
it. It is. It's really nice.
Carbon wing on the R8. He don't take care of the paint though. That's why I can't get a black car. Huracan Evo. Yeah, he has the window down. Yeah, he's carbon buckets. It's just clean. I wonder why he has a seatbelt on, like attached. I don't know how to feel about the soft top though. It's not like I can afford one. What is it? Let's put it to the test. What is it? V12. It's a V12. She don't even know. It's a V12. It's a V12. Yeah, it's a Mercy.
I don't know why.
This is badass.
It's just so hard for me to.
She confuses the Mercies with the Gallardos.
Okay, but the Mercedes I know has a flap, but it kind of threw me off because it didn't have like the top.
Damn. 750S. And a Viper right here. The Viper is clean. Manual, of course. I love these things. I'd kill myself if I ever got a Viper. Carbon right in the front. Oh, he stalled.
Why you gotta cover it out like that?
Bro, that's a huge ass dog. Yeah, there's two in there. Oh my god. C6 D06. Carbon top. I think it's like matte carbon up there.
Like dry carbon.
Yeah. I like the color. Color. This shit's badass. Matte black Aston Martin. Damn. I need a Z06. Check this out. This Viper has BBS's. Carbon wing. Clear interior. He has gloves for that. Oh my god. Oh no. Yeah. Oh no. That hood is massive. Jesus. Look at all the electronics that are the headlights. Jeez. Over here inside the garage, we got a Diablo, a GT3 RS, A full GT. Yeah, I believe that's a what, Turbo S 911. He has pictures of him out there. I don't know. Garage goals. Oh, I see the C3. Ooh. I like that STL one too.
I need to get something like that.
Why sick? This is badass. There's goals right here. Bro, we saw this white GT3 right here. I believe it's that one. We saw it on the freeway. That thing is loud. Technica. This thing is also pretty loud. Blue on gray on the GT3 RS. Cling, cling, cling. HREs on this one. Damn. Yeah. This thing is clean. Look at this R34. Wait, did I record this one or no? Like driving up the street? I don't think so. TEs. Right hand drive. Oh, crap. He has hella carbon in there. Dang. This shit's badass. Look at the carbon inside. Even right here. Interior.
Yeah, that shit's sick.
It's badass. This is a perfect family car. Look, you could have like your car seats back there. This shit's badass. Look, even he has a police department sticker. Tell me. Mismo. This shit's clean. I don't know if I'd ever get a GDM though. Like I want one, but I don't know if I'd get one.
I'd get one.
I don't know. I could change my mind. Damn, I'm about to get cashed out by a Viper. This is the only acceptable Mopar. That shit's clean. The orange accents on this thing. You got the logo, the brake calipers, and the side skirt. That shit's clean, bro. Something about a Viper. Damn. Another Viper is well, not another, but this Viper's living. He just moved to get out of the way. BBSs. Those things are shiny. No, yeah, he has a C606. I need to sell my base to get one of these.
Why, you're gonna drop them out?
Chill. Yeah. Bro, that paint under the sun.
This color's nice.
Beautiful.
It's like a burnt red orange.
That's just clean. Damn, 750 is leaving too. Wait, are they all moving for him? Or I'm confused. I think they did. Damn. That one went through like 4 gears just right here. That's crazy. I like the C7 style ones more.
That's funny because we were literally just talking about
No, yeah. Ro was the one that brought it up, huh?
Yeah.
He was the one talking about the McLaren.
Yeah.
Nah, that's just something. I heard that thing from like down the street.
This is exhausted too.
Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah. It's badass. Bro, I cannot stop looking at this SV, bro. This shit's so clean. Literally my dream car. Just that. In Cephas blue. Or blue Cephas to be specific. This is clean. Look at the fitment, bro. Wait, you can't even see it. There you go. Jesus. Fitment's crazy. Damn. I need one in my life. The mirror's out. Lotus Emira.
Oh, kitten rescue.
Kitten rescue. Oh. I just realized I didn't record that one. I kind of like just shoved it off to the side. Damn, why am I zoomed in? I got a wide lens for what? Well, this Beamer's struggling to get out of that driveway.
That's just ugly, that's why.
Yeah, that driveway's so shit. Oh, he cleared it.
W homie right there.
Yeah, no, yeah, W homie.
He was literally all the way over here and walked all the way over there to help him out.
Z06 is out skis. Bro, you cannot hate on the C8 after that. You literally cannot hate on that. You cannot tell me that Z06 is not a supercar. Well, Chad, this GT3 is out too.
The angle?
You like that angle?
It's like you're taking a 0.5 picture.
Bro, I really fuck with this lens. Because if I wasn't, if I didn't have this lens, it would literally look like this right now. My whole video would look like this. But I got that wide lens now.
You have to like stand up to like get it.
Even vlogging.
A little too, no?
Hmm?
Like if you lift it, yeah, see, I like what's normal-ish, like.
Look at my toe run over. Is he gonna park inside or is he leaving?
The exhaust is sick though.
Oh yeah.
Oh no.
No, they're gonna get in my shot. R8 is out too. I thought this thing was stock as a exhaust. Sounds clean. Oh, I think that's like a high-pitched exhaust. That shit sounded clean. High RPMs, that thing sounded beautiful. Who else is leaving? GT3's out too. Heard this thing on the freeway, sounds beautiful. Let's see if he does a pull though. Will he do a pull? Will he do a pull? Oh, you guys saw that? Damn. Technica is out too. But that front lift up, that thing looks weird, bro. I think I was like monster truck fitting it. He cleared it. Good. Will he do a pull? Always putting the lift down. YSEC 3RS is out. Let's see if he's in a 3-tire. Oh no, he didn't have to. No pull. Damn. Looks like the two Vipers are getting ready to head out. Oh my god. That thing's crazy. R34 is out skis too. Damn. Good. No screaming. Oh my god, is he gonna rev it? Or no? I thought he was gonna rev it. What's up with these guys over here? They're just revving it. Bro, I'm here recording the SV and like,
Oh, I already followed you.
this was a snake. What the fuck? Fuck that. Fuck that, bro. That shit stinks like 91. That shit reeks. We have the Z06 and the SV heading out right now. Damn. Bro, that SV sounds so beautiful. It's so low. That shit is literally touching the ground. Oh my god. Bro, this is like the second ZL1 I see here. Like an older generation too.
They're literally like the same.
There's one up there, it was like on a full drag pack, and then you have this one. Damn. Oh my god, that's the guy that owns the SVJ. I don't know. Damn, I wonder why. It probably is in the shop. But that was literally it. That was Cars and Connections. I thought it was gonna be a lot more like, how do I say it?
More cars?
Yeah, like more cars, but it is what it is. It was still a great meet overall. That SV sounded beautiful. I'm gonna call it a day right there though. We're gonna go home. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.